Hi, today we are making an easy dish, crispy fried tofu. There are only 4 easy steps involved. We only use 5 main ingredients in this cheap and cheerful dish. The best thing is, it's also vegan. Hi, I'm Loretta Lee of Nonya Recipe. Nonya Recipe is a fine place for fabulous food and I share with you my food journey. If you're a returning viewer, hi again, and if you're absolutely new here, it's so lovely to see you. The first step is to prepare the tofu. Drain the tofu and pat it dry. Use plenty of kitchen paper. Then cut it into strips. Slice into half first. Cut into strips about 1 cm thick. Place it on a single layer on the tray and pat it dry again. Season the strips with salt and pepper or your favorite seasoning. To prepare the batter, mix the 2 flours together. Season with salt and pepper. Mix the flour with about 150 ml of water. The amount of water is just an estimate and it will depend on the flour. If the flour is dry, you need to add more water. Mix it well until no lumps are formed and then you set aside. The batter should be thick and it should coat the fork. If you find my video of value, please like, share and subscribe. Now to prepare the crumbs or the coating. Mix the panko with the 5-spice powder and some salt and pepper. Mix well and set aside. Now to fry the tofu. Heat 2 to 3 cups of cooking oil for deep frying. To make the fingers, take a piece of the tofu and coat it with the batter. Carefully lift the tofu and place it in the crumbs. Cover the tofu with the crumbs and make sure that you pat it a bit to let it stick. Make sure to cover all the surface, the 2 ends as well. Then gently shake to remove the excess and place it in another plate. Repeat the process until you finish the tofu. Heat the oil to about 180 degrees centigrade or when bubble forms when you check it with a chopstick. Carefully place the strips in the hot oil, leaving enough space for it to cook. When it's brown, then turn over and cook the other side. When lightly brown, remove from the oil. Strain and put it on pieces of kitchen towel to absorb the excess oil. Here you are. Season it with chopped spring onion or herbs that you like. I'm serving it with some dips which I managed to save from some takeovers. These are from pizzas. This is barbecue sauce. Yum, 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 yum. This is sour cream and onion. Well, I hope you'll be inspired to try this crispy tofu recipe, which is so easy. Do like and subscribe and share my video if you find it of value. So until the next round and until the next time, I'm Loretta Lee of Nonya Recipe. Nonya Recipe is a fine place for fabulous food and I share with you my food journey. If you want to know more about my home cooked meals, do click here. And you can also find my travels and food reviews here as well. Bye and see you soon.